It's recording.
Yep. Right, welcome to my nomination video. Thank you, Gary, for nominating me for the Ice Challenge. Much greatly appreciated. First and foremost, I'd like to nominate my people. The first nomination will be Dylan. My second nomination will be Jamie Jagger. My third nomination will be Clinton Rogers, followed by Dean Isaacson. And my last one will be Richard Stone, because I know you're down at the mountain at Ruapehu, mate, so I imagine you could make a pretty mean video. So, without any further ado, fucking Jesus. Oh, God damn it. Oh. Right, well, look at it, mate. Oh, why did you give me one on the list? Ready? No. Okay. Lift the lid up. Fuck! Lift your legs up. Brain freeze from fucking hell. Pour the rest of it on your head. Oh. Thanks for watching.